Researchers have been doing a little eavesdropping on dolphins, and now they're starting to have a better idea of how they communicate with each other. Interesting stuff. 10 Tampa Bay photojournalist Tim Berquist talked with the team at the Sarasota Dolphin Research Program. They're now going through hundreds of recordings to try to figure out what these marine mammals are trying to say.
So this is the hydrophone. This is the part of the acoustic monitoring station that goes into the water to record the dolphins and other marine life. This system is part of a network of 12 acoustic recording listening stations around all of Sarasota Bay. And from it, we can record a lot of marine life, in particular bottlenose dolphins. If we hear more whistle activity, we know they're socializing with one another, for example. If we know the specific dolphins, we might be able to know the relationships between them. If a mother is producing their signature whistle and so is the calf, they might be using that vocal exchange to reunite with one another.
So when dolphins make sound, they produce that sound similar to how we do, but it's transmitted through an organ in their forehead that's called the melon. It's a fatty organ that can sort of focus and direct the sounds. And so their whistles and everything else comes out their head through their forehead, actually. The whistles are a tonal sound, so it's almost like a little melody. It might go up in pitch or down in pitch or even do a couple loops of the same thing in a row. And each one is just a little bit different from another. My best hope for this program is that not only we're able to learn a lot more about the lives of dolphins, but that we're able to share a lot more of the underwater environment in the bay with our educational and community partners. It's a really unique acoustic window on what's happening underwater and things that we can't see and observe every day. And so being able to listen in gives us all a really cool picture of how active it really is underwater in the bay.
Huh. Unless they don't want us to hear them.
They're like, stop listening. That's what. No, I'm teasing. Have you seen one of those like in person though? They are humongous. I'm talking about like in the wild.
Oh yeah. Well, I'd rather not get too close. But so these researchers, they did just add 2 new sites to the Sarasota Bay Listening Network.
How would you communicate that you don't want them? Stations were added at Anna Maria Elementary School and New College of Florida with money from the Disney Conservation Fund.